Hello everyone and welcome to day 84 of the 1000 days of no code challenge. Imagine this. You've accidentally deleted data or made changes that you want to undo. Or you may want to send the development data to live database or live database to development database for whatever reasons. All of this can be done using Bubble's inbuilt function called copy or restore database. And in today's video, we will be exploring exactly that. Now we are in the app data section. Let's say I click on this one, which is basically selecting all these three users, and I delete this one. The data is gone. Let's assume that this was a mistake. I didn't want to delete, but by mistake I deleted them. How do I restore it? Click on this copy and restore database, and then to restore, you have to use this particular section that we have here, right? Database version to restore. If you are working on live, then it could be live. Because right now we are in the dev version, I'll select that. Data type to restore, right? This was of type user, so I'll select that one. And I'll click on current time because I know that I did this just a few minutes back. And so I'll make this as 14:15. 0C. Okay, you should know the time that you want the data to be restored to, right? So, and then click on restore to this date. Once you do that, it will ask you to type this particular text because Bubble wants to be sure that you want to really restore, right? So restore data to past version. Once you type this, you can click on confirm. Once that's done, I'll click on got it and then refresh it, and there you go. The restoration has happened as per our requirement, right? So there are a couple of other things which we can do with copy and restore database. One is we can copy the live data into development database or the development into the live database. You can choose one of this. So for example, if I click on this one, and then I can also choose which of the data that I want to transfer from dev to live. Okay. Similarly, if you want to get the live data into development, you can choose this one. You can select which is the data type that you want to get and then type it. Now, this is the different use cases that you can have. And if you want to wipe the database change history, right, you can do it from here. Again, you'll have to type this particular thing and click on confirm. It will wipe the database change history. These are the couple of things that you can do with copy and restore database in Bubble's app. And now you know exactly how you can copy or restore data to a specific date and time, or how to copy data from live to development or development to live. This feature comes in handy for recovering lost data, undoing changes, or preparing for testing. It's a must-know feature for managing your app efficiently and securely. Take some time to practice this feature and see how much more easier it is to manage your data. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.